Australia's oldest disruption and innovation conference is back. Disrupt Sydney is in its 6th year, and we're incredibly proud and enthusiastic to bring you this year's topic. We have looked a lot at what makes innovations disruptive in the past. This year's topic is about change from within. What can organizations do to become responsive to change as it happens? What makes innovation in organizations successful? This year we will talk about the politics of innovation. Why is it so hard for organizations to change and innovate? We will hear stories of entrepreneurs and professional superheroes, the hidden talent in organizations that drive innovation, business ethnography that allows organizations to see and spot disruption as it unfolds. And we will ask, if your organization was a country, would you want to live there?
I love going to Disrupt every year and being part of this growing community of like-minded individuals getting together every year to take a different look at disruption, a different look at the future, at innovation. And it's not just about the great speakers we have every year, it's about a different lens on the future every year. And it's about engaging workshops, about trying hands-on new techniques, new ways to affect change. Not only that, but this year I'm looking forward to actually a hands-on experience with digital humans.
So come and join us for Disrupt Sydney 2018 in the Sydney CBD on the 21st of September. Go to www.disruptsydney.com for more information.